Hey guys, what's up? My name is Sean Wayne and today tara pag-usapan nga natin itong clip na ginamit ko dun sa isa kong video. Gusto ko siyang bigyan ng spotlight kasi meron akong nabasang article na gusto kong i-connect itong sinabi rito ni PRRD. Okay? So dito sa video na to, lumalabas na hinahamon ni PRRD ang Marcos administration na i-repair ang Sierra Madre, no? Ang BRP Sierra Madre. Tara pakinggan natin yung sinabi rito ni PRRD.
Kaya ito sabi ko kay Marcos, stop complaining and expounding on it. Do it and repair. Yan ang sasabi ko sa kanila. I challenge them, na sila man sa gobyerno ngayon, i-repair nila at gumawa sila doon ng mga bahay-bahay kung saan if they are really ready for that. Gawain na nila ngayon gusto nilang gawin. I-patrol na nila yung Philippine Navy, the gray ships, and let us see what happens. Tapos na kami. Kung sabihin ni Marcos, all of your past presidents were failures. You didn't do anything about Sierra Madre. Mr. President, I am challenging you to go to Alonan with the other ships and repair it. Yan ang dapat. Following yun. Di subukan nila. Kami takot. Ayaw namin ng gera. Kung sa kanya, hindi ba kagira pag sandyan yung Navy, di gawain mo. You have the ironclad guarantee of the Navy that they will, US Navy, that they will all die for the Philippines.
Are we saying that the recent maritime cooperation exercise is a show of force, and even if Japan, Australia, Philippines, and the United States will collaborate to repair this Sierra Madre, still it's an exercise in futility?
Would you take that risk? Go ahead. Bring in Japan and the rest of the ASEAN countries and let us see what happens.
Are you saying there will be a bloodshed?
The what?
There will be a bloodshed. War.
Wala akong sinabi. Sinabi ko na subukan nila and see what happens.
The way you listen to President Xi during your meeting, he said you can do this because there will be this possible war.
One word lang. Nandiyan kami lahat.
What was it?
Do not do it because there will be trouble. It was heard by all. O ba ito? Wala ko kanto.
So it was a stern warning from China.
Well, that was the reply. Which warning? Well, ikaw na bala. You interpret.
Okay, stop tayo dito. So, kinausap na ni PRRD si Xi Jinping during his time about sa pagre-repair ng BRP, Sierra Madre. And that was his reply. Wag daw gawin because magiging problema. Okay? There's this one article here coming from Business Mirror. Okay? Ang title nito, PBBM to meet Xi to ease South China Sea tensions. Okay? This was posted November 17, 2023. Basahin natin. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. said that he will have a meeting with Chinese President Xi Jinping for a second time this year, to discuss ways to ease tension in the South China Sea that have escalated in the recent months. Marcos will seek Xi's views on what we can do to bring down the temperature to not escalate the situation in the disputed sea, according to a statement on a Friday by the Presidential Communication Office. The meeting would be for some time today, the statement said, without providing details. After that, we will put together the ways forward because we are continuously trying to maintain the peace, Marcos said, adding that he is looking to strategize for the near future and determine the country's proper role in the South China Sea. Marcos and Xi are attending the Asia-Pacific Economic Corporation Summit in San Francisco. Ito yung guys, no? Ito yung pinaka-importanting part ng article na to. The talk between the two leaders would be the first since January when Marcos met Xi during the a state visit to Beijing, where they agreed that the maritime dispute is not the sum total of their relationship. But ties were strained weeks later. Marcos in early February granted the US military access to 4 additional Philippine sites, including bases near Taiwan, in a move that angered Beijing. The US meanwhile has repeatedly assured that the Philippines of its that the or rather has repeatedly assured the Philippines of its ironclad commitment to defend the nation in case of an armed attack in a disputed sea. The Philippine leader in February summoned Beijing's envoy in Manila after the Chinese Coast Guard directed military grade laser at a Philippine vessel in the South China Sea, which temporarily blinded the Filipino crew. Since then, tensions flared as Manila accused Chinese vessels of harassing Philippine boats resupplying its lone outpost in the in the Second Thomas Shoal, part of Beijing's expansive claims over the South China Sea. Ang tanong natin dito, ano kaya ang naging agreement ni PBBM at saka ni Xi Jinping na hindi tinupad ni PBBM? Kasi, the way nagsalita dito the way nag-react dito ang China, possible na may sinabi itong si Xi Jinping kay PBBM, which we don't know, pero pwede nating i-speculate. Siguro nakiusap itong si Xi Jinping na wag nang entertainin or wag hayaan na mag-intervene or mag-interfere ang US sa issue ng South China Sea. Ba't din nangyari? 'Di ba? Binigyan din ba siya ng warning ni Xi Jinping? The same way kung paano binigyan ni Xi Jinping ng warning itong si PRRD? Did PBBM open up kay Xi Jinping about dito sa additional EDCA site? Ang tanong, kailangan ba? Kailangan bang sabihin ni PBBM kay Xi Jinping na magkakaroon ng EDCA site tapos facing sa Taiwan? We both know, no? Marami sa atin na nakakaalam na meron ng tensyon ang China at ang Taiwan. Anong ginawa ng Taiwan? 'Di ba? Maliban naman sa Taiwan, even sa Hong Kong eh. If you recall, kailan ba? Years ago. Before mag-pandemic, actually, maraming protest na nangyayari sa loob ng Hong Kong. Kasi gusto na ngang bawiin ng mainland ang Hong Kong. At ayaw ng Hong Kong because nai-enjoy nila yung buhay nila. Yan yung dalawang lugar, no? Dalawang island, if you cannot call that as a country. Taiwan at saka ang Hong Kong, kinukuha na ng China as one of their province. I don't know. Matigas lang talaga. May mga matitigas talaga mo to ng China eh. Kukunin at kukunin nila kung ano yung tingin nila para sa kanila. 'Di ba? Hindi niyo ba binabasa yung ibang nakikita nating articles? Hindi niyo ba nababasa yung ibang mga post ng mga tao? Na even before tayo pumasok sa issue ng China, US at saka ng Taiwan, hindi naman ganyang kalala yung gulo natin dyan sa WPS eh. Na-water cannon, may na-water cannon ba nung panahon ni PRRD? May na-water cannon ba nung panahon ni Pinoy? Ni Arroyo? ni Estrada, ni Cory, ni Ramos. Meron ba? O ngayon lang lahat nangyayari yan? Yung ginagawa bang panggigipit ngayon ng China sa mga tao natin na nandyan sa WPS is ang retaliation ng China sa hindi pagsunod ni PBBM sa agreement nila kung meron man. 'Di ba? Kasi bakit here's another question. Bakit magagalit ang China? Dahil nagdagdag tayo ng EDCA site. Natanong niyo ba yun sa sarili ninyo? So what kung meron tayong mga panibagong EDCA site? Anong meron sa EDCA site? EDCA site ba ang problema nila? O ang pinaka-problema nila na may presence na rito ang US sa Pilipinas? Kinakalkal natin yung secret deal, di umano, between PRRD and Xi Jinping. Pero ano tong napag-usapan nila? No? Hindi ko alam guys kung nakukuha niyo yung gusto kong sabihin eh. Ano ang napag-usapan ni PBBM at saka ni Xi Jinping? Na nagkaroon sila ng agreement and yet mukhang hindi tinupad ni PBBM. Diba? Hindi pwedeng magalit ang China sa isang bagay na hindi nila pinagkasunduan. Tama ba ako? Like say for example, ako at ikaw, nagkaroon tayo ng kontrata. Diba? Halimbawa, karelasyon kita. One of your rules is sinabi mo sa akin, ayoko makikipag-usap ka, makikipagkaibigan ka sa ex mo. Let's say ganun. And yet, ginawa ko pa rin. Alam ko na ayaw mo, pero ginawa ko pa rin. Di ba magagalit ka rin? Magagalit ka talaga. So, yun yung tanong natin eh. Meron bang naging agreement si Xi Jinping at saka si PBBM? Na wag nang paramihin ang EDCA sites dito sa Pilipinas? Or wag hayaan na manghimasok ang mga Amerikano sa issue ng WPS? Na yung pagdagdag ng EDCA sites para sa mga taga-China, nagtatranslate yan sa kanila as hinahayaan ni PBBM na manghimasok ang mga Amerikano sa issue ng West Philippine Sea. I want us to understand this. Hindi lang yung panay lang tayo comment. I want us to understand this. Isang presidente lang ba may kapalpakan dyan? Dalawang presidente ba may kapalpakan dyan? Bakit hindi rin i-divulge sa atin ni PBBM? Ano ba na pag-usapan nyo ni Xi Jinping? Para masulat na yung ginawa mong desisyon, ikinagalit nila. Meron ba silang rason magalit sa pagdagdag mo ng EDCA sites? Dahil ngayon ginawa mo yan, let's say i-assume na lang natin, okay, may agreement nga kayo. Let's say lang hindi ka tumupad. Anong ganti nila? Mas lalo nilang gipitin ang mga Pilipinong naglalayag dyan sa WPS. 'Di ba? Were you given warning? That we don't know. Na-foresee mong gagawin ba 'to ng China? That we don't know. Kayo-kayo lang nag-uusap dyan eh. Ngayon dyan sa sinasabi ni PBBM and ni PRRD, na pag nag-repair kayo, pag ni-repair niyo ang Sierra Madre o nag-construct kayo ng ng structure sa Second Thomas, kailangan pa ba nating hintayin yung magiging epekto ng paggalaw natin? Ready ba tayo kung sakali? Kung ano man yung magiging result. Tama ba yung naging desisyon dito ni PBBM? This is the only best example that we can give you, eh. 'Di ba? On the top of my head siguro ito lang, siguro ang naging usapan nila, ang naging agreement nila, 'wag hayaan manghimasok ang US. Pero yung pagdadagdag mo ng EDCA site, only translate na binibigyan mo ng power ang US na makialam sa issue ng WPS. Kaya ang result nun, dahil hindi ka tumupad, gigipitin ko yung mga mangingisda mo. Ngayon kung pupunta tayo again sa sinasabi ni PRRD, subukan niyo. Total sinabi rin naman ni Xi Jinping, eh. Huwag niyong gawin kasi problema 'yan. Gulo 'yan. Kailangan pa ba nating subukan para lang makita natin kung totoo yung sinabi ni Xi Jinping? Base na lang din sa sinasabi ni PRRD. Kung talagang matigas kayo, 'di ba? Matigas ang Marcos administration na gusto na lang galawin, then go for it. Kung ang naging resulta ng kanilang action hindi maganda, we know who to blame. 'Di ba? Anyway guys, again, maraming salamat sa panonood. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I-share nyo na rin. Share nyo na rin yung thoughts nyo. Kailangan ba nating hintayin? Kailangan ba natin subukan, tingnan kung anong mangyayari? Kung ire-repair ang BRP Sierra Madre, magtatayo tayo ng structure sa Second Thomas Shoal. Do we really need to push our luck harder